The Impact Test Interactive Calculator determines key parameters for Charpy and Izod impact testing of materials. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options: Calculate energy absorbed, Calculate impact velocity, Calculate material toughness, Calculate final height, Calculate required pendulum mass, or Calculate specimen cross-section. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate energy absorbed. Next, enter your pendulum mass in kilograms, pendulum length in meters, initial height h1 in meters, final height h2 in meters, and cross-section area in square millimeters. The calculator also includes fields for absorbed energy in joules, impact velocity in meters per second, and toughness in joules per square millimeter. For our example, I'll input pendulum mass 25 kilograms, pendulum length 0.8 meters, initial height 0.6 meters, final height 0.35 meters, and cross-section area 80 square millimeters. After clicking Calculate, we get these results. Energy absorbed is 61.31 joules, which represents the energy transferred from the pendulum to break the specimen. The initial angle shows 75.52 degrees, while the final angle is 55.77 degrees, indicating the pendulum's angular positions before and after impact. This tool streamlines impact test calculations for material characterization. Find the link in the description below.